Aloha, you can call me Craw. Today is a very special stream. Today we're going to be working on my garage. We have what is, I would consider, the basic middle-of-the-road garage. It's got a door that opens and closes. It's got a track to a little thing in the center of the room, and you have a little button that you put in your car, and you go beep beep, and the garage door opens and it closes. And sometimes you have to be really close, and sometimes you have to be that close. There's so many things that go into making the garage work and making the garage not work. And one thing we've done a lot of recently is we moved into making the house smart. And what that means is it's an internet connected device throughout the house. We have smart lights for all of our Christmas decorations. We have smart plugs in almost every room of the house at this point. We have smart cameras. We've done everything we can really to connect it. But the one room we haven't done anything to is the garage. I was on Amazon because 90% of our life is spent buying things on Amazon. And I noticed they had a deal. If you buy this device, which I'm going to tell you about, you can get it for free if you give Amazon access to it. The idea behind it is Amazon's so worried about porch pirates that they're willing to give away an Wi-Fi enabled phone smart device. So this is what it is. It's called the Smart Garage Control. The idea behind it is that you install this in your garage. When Amazon goes to deliver something, they can go up to your garage and through an app on their phone, open the door, put your package in, close the door, and that is a little more secure than just leaving it on the porch. I don't know how I really feel about getting Amazon access into my house, because at that point, luckily, this only costs $25. I don't know if this is really worth $25. I have an expression which is anytime you try to save money, you're going to cost yourself time. So let's walk through what this device does and how it's supposed to work. Chat on. Is that it? There it goes. Okay, cool. This device's purpose is quite simple. You put this unit here on the wall. This goes on the door. The two of them communicate to each other somehow. Once these two things are communicating to each other, this little hub connects to your garage door opener and allows me to take my phone and connect. I can open the garage door in theory anywhere in the world. A friend of mine even joked the idea that someone's going to be able to open my door from Calcutta, because once you connect anything to the internet, there is a level of security that you have to worry about. So, yeah, I'm willing to admit that right now. So this is the garage. These instructions are worthless. Sorry, but true. But we have them up for reference. I am then going to do the first thing that the instructions told me to do, which was open the app. Here's my phone. I hope you enjoy seeing my phone. There's the app there. I can hit MyQ. Press my thumb, and now I'm logging into it. Device setup. We are doing what's known as the Smart Garage Control. Again, this is only $25. Some of these higher end ones up here are $300-$400. Hopefully this works just as well, but we're doing the Smart Garage Control. Before you get started, this is what you will need. Access to a compatible garage door opener. Strong Wi-Fi signal inside your garage. Check. Your Wi-Fi password. Check. A ladder. I hope this is good enough. Drill with a 5/32 drill bit, Phillips screwdriver. Bluetooth enabled. Yes, I have all that. Well, it even lets me check them. Look at that. I can check shit on this. I have all those things. I'm ready. Power up. Go to your garage. Check. Plug in your device to any outlet. Do not mount device yet. Light should be blinking blue. Okay, let's do that. So one thing I've learned, they have instructions the way they have them for a reason. I mean, I understand what they are, but it's their reason. Let's follow their instructions. This wonderful looking thing is what we're plugging into. Considering they painted over one of the two outlets, I don't even know if this outlet works. We're hoping it works. So we plug it in, we're gonna feed it through over here. I'm gonna need to put this down. I apologize, you guys get this wonderful view of me. Well, it is flashing blue, which is what I think the instructions wanted us to do, was have it make flashing blue. Let's look. Discovered! We've discovered the device below. Tap to select and continue. Connecting, finding networks, Bluetooth pairing request. Parent. I'm good. Ooh, which Wi-Fi network should I choose? Weak Wi-Fi signal. What? It's a good Wi-Fi signal. You're fooling yourself. Your MyQ device is now connecting to the network. This may take a minute. Stay close to your device. Okay, I gotta stay close to the device. Connected. You've successfully connected your device to Wi-Fi. I'm crushing it today. Now let's connect your device to your garage door opener. So it wants me to firmly pull out the tab on the door sensor. So I'll do it with my teeth. Cool. Next. Push and release the button on the front. You will see a red LED. Yep, I do. Next. The next steps will pair the door sensor to your smart garage door hub. Press next to begin. Now it's pairing it. Now push and release the button again to complete the pairing. Oh, holy Toledo. Install sensor. Next, we'll show you how to mount the door sensor. Watch the video below or tap next for the step-by-step instructions. We're gonna go next. Top panel. Locate the top panel of your garage door. Choose either the right or left highlighted areas. It doesn't state why I should pick which area I pick. So, it says put it up here. So I'm gonna either put it in this corner or that corner. Now, looking at this garage, so the car is usually in this space here, which means if there's something going wrong and I need to access the garage door opener, I'm gonna naturally want to put it here, because I'm gonna have to climb over the back of the car to go all the way over there to get that, and all the equipment during the winter for our snowblower, and during the summer, this is where our bicycles are. Next, adhesive strips. Ooh. Let's get our adhesive strip on. It doesn't say where to put it on this. It doesn't say where to put it on it. Should I put it in the top or the bottom? Okay, clearly makes it look. So this is the back of it according to the picture, right? I should put the strips on 2 equal sides, and then I'm gonna have some text in the middle. This is what it actually looks like in the back. So if I put one on the bottom right now, because we figured that is safe. If I put the other one up there, I'm covering what I'm assuming is important stuff. I got serial numbers, I got all types of stuff. So I'm gonna try putting it as far over like that. And I hope I just didn't dox information by giving you out serial numbers and all that type of stuff. Peel off the other side. All right, we can do that. Install sensor. With the top facing up, position and firmly press the door sensor onto your garage for 30 seconds. All right. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is not a flattering camera angle, I'll tell you that much right now. Next steps will pair the smart garage door hub to your garage door motor. Next. The next step will cause your garage door to move. Grab a ladder to access your garage door motor. Make sure that the door will move in the next steps. select the brand. Chamberlain. Find the Learn Program button. It will be located on the side or bottom of the garage door motor. After you've located your button, tap Found It to continue. So this is where the part that pisses me off. You want to guess where this Learn button is? Is it on this side that I can easily access? Right here? Of course not. It's not here. There's supposed to be a, who knew? There's supposed to be a light bulb there. Not me. No. It's back here somewhere. Oh, it's up there in the corner. That's where it is. It's up here. This is where my learning button is, and I can't see that. So what I'm gonna do, pro tip life hack, I'm gonna take out my phone. I'm gonna switch it around so it's in this mode. And then, there it is. Now, I know precisely what I'm looking at. I mean, this shouldn't be shocking to y'all. Y'all have already seen this. This is the first time I've seen it. Now let's go back to it. It's a purple button. So I'm looking for a purple button underneath the wires. Right there. All right, so I pressed it once. Hopefully that did it, what it was supposed to do. Next, we're now attempting to pair your motor. Depending on your brand, this could take multiple tries. Please be patient. We'll be patient. Paired, next. What would you like to call your garage door? Not sure what to name it. It's giving me ideas. Here are some ideas. Left garage door. John's garage door. Truck door, RV door, shed. Got it. We're gonna leave it as garage door. Next, save. All right. We now have had the wonderful, awesome MyQ installed in our garage for, I would say, the last 2 weeks now. And here are my thoughts on the whole thing. It was very easy to install. I was able to do it in roughly an hour, hour and a half. I mean, while I was streaming. It wasn't that bad, right? The whole process, the app led me through all the steps. As long as I could follow, as long as I had a couple tools I recommended I have, I was able to do it. There really wasn't any challenging part other than just me being kind of a fool about some stuff. So I'm glad that we went through the process of installing it. In terms of the app itself, the app works great. It works exactly as advertised. You know, we use our smartphone, we're able to control the device. Except there's one small glitch, and it's kind of the reverse glitch that we had with the original garage door opener. With the original garage door opener, we had to be close enough to the garage to trigger it, and sometimes it's hard to understand of how close we needed to be to trigger the button. What's the right angle you're pointing it at? All the wonderful things that people do sometimes. That is the way it was. The cell phone is kind of the reverse problem. We have to be far enough away from the house that our cell phone does not want to connect to Wi-Fi, because as soon as the cell phone connects to Wi-Fi, all of a sudden we have a very, very weak signal between the cell phone and the Wi-Fi in the house. But we just pull it to the back of it, do it then, because at that point we never connect to Wi-Fi, and then pull forward. I'm really happy with the decision we made to go with this. If you're thinking about it, try it out. It's only $25, $30. And if you trust Amazon enough that you want to give them access to it, it's free. Do I wish that it wasn't just another app I have to have on my phone? Yeah, but I prefer having it as an app on my phone than having the little dongle anymore, because those dongles are $30 alone. So this way I can have it on my phone, my wife can have it on her phone. When our kids get old enough to need access, i.e. they're coming home on their own, they can have it on their phone. When they think about the number of dongles we need to have as a family, the battery usage, all those things, this is a better solution. I couldn't be happier with it. I'm more excited about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like more and stuff, keep watching. Click subscribe, all that wonderful stuff. If you want to catch me on Twitch, I stream every Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday nights. I also do a Saturday stream that's kind of like this one. It's an in real live stream where I'm actually building, constructing, doing something like that. My normal streams the Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday nights are all video game related. Follow me at AlohaCraw, which of course I'm not going to put like a little graphic because I don't have a graphic, but I'm sure it's somewhere down in the link description below. With that, aloha.